For centuries, sailors have told tales of gigantic sea creatures. These stories have been passed down through generations, becoming part of maritime folklore. The vast, uncharted waters of the world's oceans have always been a source of mystery and fear, and it's no wonder that such tales have persisted. Sailors, often isolated for months on end, would gather on the decks of their ships, sharing stories of the unknown. The creaking of the wooden hull, the howling wind, and the crashing waves would set the perfect stage for these eerie tales. Among these stories, one creature stands out, whispered about in hushed tones and feared by all who hear its name, the Megalodon. These stories, passed down through generations, speak of colossal beasts with jaws large enough to swallow a boat whole. Imagine the terror of encountering such a creature in the open sea, with nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. The Megalodon, with its massive size and fearsome reputation, has become the stuff of legends. Ancient mariners would often describe seeing enormous shadows beneath their ships, moving with a purpose and power that defied explanation. These sightings would be etched into their memories, retold with increasing embellishment each time, until the Megalodon became a symbol of the ocean's untamed and terrifying nature. One creature whispered about in hushed tones is the Megalodon. This prehistoric shark, whose name means big tooth, is said to have ruled the oceans millions of years ago. Fossil evidence suggests that the Megalodon was one of the largest and most powerful predators to ever exist. Its teeth, some of which have been found measuring over 7 inches in length, are a testament to its formidable hunting capabilities. The Megalodon would have been the apex predator of its time, preying on whales, large fish, and even other sharks. Its sheer size and strength would have made it a dominant force in the ancient seas. This prehistoric shark, the name itself meaning big tooth, is said to have ruled the oceans millions of years ago. But what if the Megalodon didn't go extinct? What if it still lurks in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, waiting to be discovered? The idea of a living Megalodon has captured the imagination of many, from scientists to filmmakers to the general public. The ocean is vast and largely unexplored, with depths that remain a mystery to us. It's not entirely impossible that a creature as elusive and powerful as the Megalodon could still exist, hidden away from human eyes. But could this king of the deep still be alive today, lurking in the darkest depths, a relic of a bygone era? The possibility is both thrilling and terrifying. Modern technology has allowed us to explore the ocean like never before, yet there are still vast areas that remain untouched and unknown. The deep sea is a place of extreme conditions, with crushing pressures, freezing temperatures, and complete darkness. It's a world that seems almost alien to us, and it's here that the Megalodon might find refuge. If it does exist, it would be a living fossil, a direct link to a time when giants ruled the seas. It's a question that has captivated scientists and fueled imaginations for decades. Marine biologists and paleontologists have long debated the possibility of the Megalodon's survival. Some argue that the lack of recent evidence, such as sightings or carcasses, suggests that the Megalodon is indeed extinct. Others point to the vastness of the ocean and the many species that have been discovered only recently, arguing that it's possible for a creature as elusive as the Megalodon to remain hidden. Expeditions have been launched and countless hours of research have been dedicated to uncovering the truth. The search for the Megalodon is a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown. The Megalodon, if it exists, would be a truly awe-inspiring sight. Imagine coming face to face with a shark 3 times the size of a great white, with teeth as long as your hand. Such an encounter would be both exhilarating and terrifying, a reminder of the raw power and majesty of nature. Divers and researchers who venture into the depths of the ocean do so with a sense of wonder and respect, knowing that they are entering a world that is both beautiful and dangerous. The Megalodon, with its immense size and strength, would be the ultimate symbol of this untamed wilderness. Imagine a shark 3 times the size of a great white, with teeth as long as your hand. Its jaws would be powerful enough to crush bones and tear through flesh with ease. The Megalodon would have been a master of its environment, perfectly adapted to hunting and surviving in the ancient seas. Its presence would have been felt by all other marine creatures, a constant reminder of the dangers that lurk beneath the surface. The discovery of a living Megalodon would be a groundbreaking moment in the field of marine biology, reshaping our understanding of the ocean's history and the creatures that inhabit it. Such a creature would be the apex predator of our planet, a testament to the power and mystery of the natural world. The megalodon would dominate the oceanic food chain, preying on anything that crossed its path. Its existence would challenge our perceptions of what is possible in the natural world, reminding us that there is still so much we have yet to discover. The ocean is a place of endless wonder and mystery, and the megalodon represents the ultimate enigma. Whether it exists or not, the legend of the megalodon continues to inspire awe and curiosity in all who hear its story. The very thought of it sends shivers down the spine. The idea that such a massive and powerful creature could be lurking in the depths of the ocean is both thrilling and terrifying. It speaks to our deepest fears and our most profound sense of wonder. The megalodon, whether real or imagined, is a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that there are still mysteries in this world that we have yet to unravel. As we continue to explore the ocean and push the boundaries of our knowledge, the legend of the megalodon will remain a captivating and enduring part of our collective imagination. Our most tangible link to the megalodon lies in the fossil record. These ancient remnants offer a window into a world that existed millions of years ago, a world dominated by one of the most formidable predators to ever roam the oceans. The fossilized remains of the megalodon, particularly its teeth, are scattered across the globe, providing invaluable insights into its existence. Scattered across the globe, paleontologists have unearthed gigantic teeth, some over 7 inches long. These teeth are not just impressive in size, they are also marvels of evolutionary design. The sheer size of these teeth suggests a creature of immense power and size, capable of taking down large prey with ease. Each tooth tells a story of the megalodon's hunting prowess and its role as an apex predator in its ecosystem. These teeth, with their serrated edges perfectly designed for tearing flesh, paint a chilling picture of the megalodon's predatory prowess. The serrations on the teeth indicate that the megalodon was capable of slicing through the tough hides of its prey, making it an efficient hunter. The teeth's structure also suggests that the megalodon had a powerful bite, capable of exerting tremendous force to immobilize its prey. Alongside teeth, researchers have also discovered fossilized vertebrae and fragments of cartilage. These additional fossils provide further evidence of the megalodon's massive size and strength. The vertebrae in particular offer clues about the shark's spinal structure and swimming capabilities. By studying these fossils, scientists can reconstruct the megalodon's physical form and understand how it moved through the water with such power and grace. These remains, often found embedded in ancient seabeds, provide crucial clues about the megalodon's size, diet, and distribution across the world's oceans millions of years ago. The locations of these fossil finds indicate that the megalodon had a wide range, inhabiting various marine environments. By analyzing the chemical composition of the fossils, researchers can infer details about the megalodon's diet, revealing its preference for large marine mammals and other sizable prey. They tell a story of a creature that was once a dominant force in the marine ecosystem. The megalodon's reign as an apex predator had a significant impact on the marine food chain, influencing the evolution of other marine species. Its extinction, likely due to a combination of climate change and competition from other predators, marked the end of an era in the ocean's history. Today, the fossil evidence of the megalodon continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the life of one of the most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived. Understanding creatures that lived millions of years ago is no easy feat. These ancient sea creatures, which once thrived in oceans that predate human history, left behind clues in the form of fossils. These fossils are like pieces of a grand puzzle, waiting to be assembled to reveal the secrets of the past. But how do scientists go about this complex task? What methods do they use to breathe life into these long-extinct beings? Scientists employ a range of techniques to piece together the puzzle of ancient marine life, from the initial discovery of fossils in the field to the detailed analysis in high-tech laboratories. Each step is crucial. Fieldwork often involves painstaking excavation, where every brushstroke can uncover a new piece of history. Once these fossils are unearthed, they are transported to labs where the real detective work begins. Radiocarbon dating, for example, helps determine the age of fossils, giving us a timeline of when these creatures roamed the Earth. This technique measures the decay of carbon isotopes within the fossil, providing a date range that can span thousands to millions of years. Knowing the age of a fossil is fundamental as it places the creature within a specific period in Earth's history, allowing scientists to correlate it with other known events and species. By studying the shape and structure of bones, researchers can reconstruct skeletons, estimate muscle mass, and even infer how these animals might have moved. This process, known as comparative anatomy, involves comparing the fossilized bones to those of modern animals. Through this comparison, scientists can make educated guesses about the creature's lifestyle, its predatory or prey status, and its role within the ancient ecosystem. Chemical analysis of fossils can also reveal details about diet, migration patterns, and even the climate of the time. Techniques such as stable isotope analysis can indicate what types of food the creature consumed, whether it migrated seasonally, and what the temperature and composition of the ancient oceans were like. These chemical signatures are like fingerprints, providing a wealth of information that helps build a comprehensive picture of ancient marine environments. It's a meticulous process, but one that allows us to peer into the past. Each fossil is carefully documented, preserved, and catalogued, ensuring that future generations of scientists can continue to study and learn from these ancient relics. The work of paleontologists and researchers is a testament to human curiosity and our unending quest to understand the history of life on Earth. Through their efforts, the story of ancient sea creatures is slowly but surely being brought to light, one fossil at a time. The possibility of a surviving megalodon population captures the imagination. Some proponents point to the vastness of the ocean, much of which remains unexplored. Could the megalodon, they argue, be hiding in the deepest trenches, far from human observation? Fueling these beliefs are occasional reports of massive, unidentified creatures sighted in the open ocean. While often dismissed as misidentifications or exaggerations, these stories keep the legend alive, reminding us that the ocean still holds many secrets. Despite the allure of the myth, the scientific community largely agrees. The megalodon is extinct. The fossil record, while incomplete, shows that the last megalodon fossils date back to around 3.6 million years ago. Megalodons, as large predatory sharks, required vast quantities of food to survive. The oceans of today, while vast, simply couldn't sustain a population of these apex predators without leaving significant traces of their existence.